All right, so let's take a look at your three-part topic sentence. So we know right now that a topic sentence is going to have our name it, verb it, and big idea. Name it is going to be the text or source that you studied. Verb it is an action word to answer your prompt. And then big idea is what we kind of call your claim or what you're saying about the prompt. So here's an example of a sentence that just has those things. This is not a three-part topic sentence, but it just has name it, verb it, big idea. In the novel Whirligig by Paul Fleischman, that's name it. Brent impacts, that's verb it, others by being insecure. That's my big idea. So the prompt here is asking how he impacts others, and I'm going to show that by him being insecure. Now, to fully answer this prompt, we need to bump it up. We need to go ahead and make sure that this has three parts to it. And to do so, we're going to look at the big idea portion. So we're going to keep name it, verb it, that looks great. But we want to now break this into three different parts. What are three ways in the novel that we see Brent being insecure? I'm going to list those out, and then I will rewrite my sentence. So first, he gets ready for the party, right? He's super insecure there. When he's talking to Brianna. And then finally, when he gets in the car and he listens to the voice. All of those are examples of him being insecure. All of those do impact other people. So that's going to be the three ideas that I brainstorm. For this, you could also do character traits or adjectives. I saw some of you do that in your draft. It just depends on if it's answering your prompt, okay? So the last step, then, I'm going to rewrite that by literally stating those three things that I just said. So in the novel Whirligig by Paul Fleischman, Brent impacts others. All that's the same. Here's where it's different. By being insecure when, that's our key word here. He is getting ready for the party, talking to Brianna, and listening to the voice when he is driving. All three of those things are going to now be in my body paragraph. I'm going to find Ika for those three things, okay? If we take a look at your note page, we went over this part in class, right? Here's another topic sentence that you then were going to make into a three-part topic sentence. So in the novel Whirligig by Paul Fleischman, Brent impacts others by making bad decisions. Now I need to think of three bad decisions that he makes that also impacts others. When I have them, I'm going to rewrite that topic sentence. So here we go. I have the same part of my sentence here. In the novel Whirligig by Paul Fleischman, Brent impacts others by making bad decisions when, again, keyword here, he drinks at the party, when he fights Chaz, and when he drives off while drunk. So the idea, again, is can I take that big idea and put it into three parts in the novel? So in the next one, you're going to do a quick activity where you try a couple of your own sentences, and then we'll check in on your work on that.